Hi, I'm Dr. Saqib Hassan from Golden State Orthopedics and Spine, and I'm here at the 3rd Annual Endoscopic Spine Symposium. And as you can see, we have a full house here full of budding surgeons who want to learn endoscopic spine surgery.
The energy here is just high and fun, and we get to sit around for 2 full days and really talk about endoscopy itself and get into the weeds about how we do these cases.
We have excellent surgeons here with a lot of experience. The discussions are great, so it's absolutely lovely.
Everyone here shares the same kind of energy for this, so I like that I get to teach other surgeons and help them. We get to help the general population of the world have better access to this, and then we also learn from each other. So I come away from these meetings with new ideas of ways that I'm going to tackle problems that patients have.
I think there is no other place in the country that has this combination of facility, cutting-edge equipment, and a world-class faculty. It's amazing.
This is the only course in the U.S. dedicated exclusively to endoscopic spine surgery. Join us on July 17th and 18th.
Registration is now open, so sign up if you want to learn about endoscopic spine surgery.